Hello, fellow travelers. Quick update. I received my interface from OpenBuilds, and I cannot get it to work. So I'm back to just using my control software. I'm either going to return it, or they're going to help me get it going. It won't read the USB stick. It won't upgrade the firmware. And I have spent probably 5 or 6 hours on that, and I'm at the end of my patience. So anyway, I've got to do a sign for my brother, actually, for his construction company, to go over his shop, and it's going to be just a small one. So let's get to it. So here I am zeroing this out. I used the center of this board to zero it out. So it's the old-fashioned way, but that's the way it works best, I think. So I do have a XYZ probe to zero this out. I am not proficient with it, and I don't know if I can even do it on the center of a board. This sign that we're doing is just a little 9" by 24" to go over the man door of my brother's shop, and so it's just kind of decoration or just an announcement for the clients that come up to his place. Nailed the mess, but the last time I did this, it broke loose, and oh yeah, that works good. It broke loose and ruined it. So every time I try using clamps or some other hold down method, it either breaks loose or the mechanism hits the clamp, and I use my nail gun now and just nail it to the spoil board. Works good. You have to get the nails out though. Wild West Construction, Island Park, Idaho. There she is.